So let's apply that to an example. If I want to find the measure of angle JKM, that's this one here, I would say, well, 2x minus 5 is equal to the sum of x and 70. So step 1 is write and solve the equation using the exterior angle theorem. So write and solve the equation. Well, I just said what that would be. It would be 2x minus 5 equals x plus 70. And solving this for x, we get 75. Okay? But the question is, what is the angle measure? So I need to go ahead then in step 2 and substitute my x for the angle. So now when you substitute 75 in for the angle they're asking about, you should try this on your own, you end up getting that the measure of angle JKM is 145 degrees, which makes sense because it looks like it is an obtuse angle. Alright, so try this one on your own. Find the measure of angle 1 given the following information. So this one's asking you for the measure of angle 1. So see what you think it would be, work it out, and I'm just going to go ahead and give you the answer. So pause the video and see if you can try and solve this. The measure of angle 1 is 65 degrees. Okay, find the measure of each interior angle of triangle ABC, where the measure of angle A is x degrees, B is 2x degrees, and C is 3x degrees. Well, just think about this. We know that the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180. So we're going to go ahead and write this equation. X plus 2x plus 3x equals 180. Add like terms. 6x equals 180. And x equals 30. So now to write down the answers to their questions, we want to find the measure of each angle. So the measure of angle A, which is just x, is 30 degrees. The measure of angle B is 2 times that, so 60 degrees. And finally, the measure of angle C is 3 times that. So the measure of angle C is 90 degrees. Now, visually, this picture doesn't really make sense. I think maybe we probably should switch B and C because this looks like the right angle to me. But again, the picture isn't always reliable, so trust your algebra. This is the correct answer. Alright, let's use the corollary to solve this problem. We want to find the measure of each of those acute angles. Well, if it's a right triangle, which it is, because it's indicating that, we know that the other 2 acute angles are complementary. So remember, complementary means they add up to 90. So our equation is just 2x plus x minus 6 equals 90. So go ahead and try to solve this. Pause the video and then check your answers. So combining like terms, we get 3x minus 6 equals 90. So 3x equals 96. So x equals 32. But now we need to go back in and check our answers. So you're going to plug in x for each one, and we get 26 degrees and 64 degrees. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon.